Futurati Kids. My name is Shivani and we are studying mathematics with me. So now today we are going to start a very interesting chapter which is known as probability, right? So probability में आपको पता है what we did in the classes. हमने क्या किया था? We did perform some random experiments, right? We performed some random experiments. एकदम random, एकदम basic experiments. First one was हमने coin toss किया था. Remember? उसके दो outcomes आए थे, heads and tails. Then we threw a die. उसमें क्या आया था? We had 6 possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? You remember this? So we are going to dive deeper into this topic of probability and find out how we proceed in this chapter, alright? So we're going to be starting with the basics and then we're eventually going to look into the sums, alright? So let's get started. So now first of all, I mentioned a term called random experiment. So ये random experiment क्या होता है? What is a random experiment? Now a random experiment, you know, is an experiment in which all possible outcomes are known in advance. Okay, जो हमें पहले से पता होते हैं, but लेकिन उसमें से कौन सा आने वाला है, ये certainly हमें पता नहीं होता है. Now say for example, I say that we need to toss a coin. तो we know कि या तो हेड्स आने वाला है या तो टेल्स आने वाला है. अभी ये रजनीकांत का मूवी थोड़ी ना है कि वो कॉइन सीधा खड़ा रहेगा, राइट? इट इज ईदर गोइंग टू बी हेड्स और इट इज गोइंग टू बी टेल्स, राइट? बट व्हेन इट इज एक्चुअली टॉस्ड वी डू नॉट नो फॉर सर्टेन कि कौन सा आने वाला है एग्जैक्टली. सो दैट इज योर रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. नाउ लेट्स टेक फॉर एग्जांपल कि हमने एक डाई रोल किया. ओके, डाई, you use this when you're playing snakes and ladders and ludo and stuff of that sort, right? So we rolled a die. Now what are the outcomes? Now the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So these are your outcomes. So we can write them down here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total number of outcomes. So these are the possible results. एक die roll करने के बाद ये possible results आ सकते हैं. What are these known as? In mathematical terms it is known as outcome. So what is an outcome? Outcome is basically result of a random experiment, a result of a random experiment. Random experiment जिसका outcome जो जिसके possible results हमें पता होते हैं, right? We know them for sure, but we don't know कौन सा आने वाला है, alright? So you remember the basics of this? Excellent. Let's move forward. Number of possible outcomes. How do you write this as? You write this as number of possible outcomes, right? Number of possible outcomes. So whatever you name this set as. अभी ये set है, this is a set of numbers. You can basically write this as set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? This is a set of elements. So you can write number of elements in a set is 6. So that is how you write number of possible outcomes. Easy? Alright, let's move forward. So then you can see that here we assume that each outcome is likely to occur equally as other. मतलब क्या? अभी तक मैंने एक्चुअली में डाई रोल नहीं किया है, तो अगर मैं जब आई एम ओनली इमेजिनिंग इट कि अभी मुझे डाई रोल करना है. सो नाउ इसमें से क्या आ सकता है? वी विल से कॉन्फिडेंटली 4 आएगा, 5 आएगा, but we know that the possibility of any one of the number being the output is equally likely. Hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are known as equally likely outcomes. They're known as equally likely outcomes. All right, I hope you remember this term. This term is really important, which is equally likely outcomes. The possibility that every number can occur equally. All right, now we'll talk about all possible outcomes of tossing a coin. All possible outcomes of tossing a coin. Now the random experiment that we're going to perform is tossing a coin. Now just one coin, let's say for example only one coin is tossed. We talked about this. It is either going to be heads or it is going to be tails. It is either going to be heads or it is going to be tails. So all possible outcomes are H and T. So number of elements, number of outcomes is 2. Number of outcomes is 2. Now what if 2 coins are tossed together? दो coins को मैंने एक साथ toss किया. Now take a look at this. 2 coins are tossed together or one coin is tossed twice. So ऐसा इसका क्या होगा? Let's place the result of the first coin over here. Now say for example first coin में आएगा heads and second coin में भी आ गया heads. So what do we have here? H, right? We represent heads as H. Then again say for example फिर से H आ गया on the first coin, but on the second coin you get a T. You get a tails. Okay, so you have H and t. Similarly, now we'll take another set of results. First coin पे आ गया tails, first coin पे आ गया tails, and second coin पे आ गया tails again, or say for example heads, and then first coin का outcome remains the same, but the second coin का outcome is tails as well. So total कितने outcomes आए हमारे पास? Let's write them down. We have HH, HT, TH and TT. So total outcomes are 4. Total outcomes are 4, and each of the outcome is equally likely. Each of the outcome is equally likely. Let's perform one more experiment. This experiment, now these two coins are tossed together, can also be said as one coin is tossed twice. Same thing, right? Same thing. Now let's talk about one more thing, okay? Let's talk about one more thing. 3 coins are tossed together. या फिर one coin is tossed thrice. One coin is tossed thrice. So basically now we are going to be tossing 3 coins. So now let us see. Result of the first one we are going to write in the first column, the second column, second coin, and third column, third coin. Okay, so let's see how do we do it. Say for example, first का result आएगा, all the 3 give you HHH, all the 3 give you HHH. Okay, उसके बाद introduce T in the end. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take away the third coin, third का H, and I'm going to replace it with a T. I'm going to replace it with a T. So it will be looking like H, H, T. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift this T. I'm going to keep shifting the T. अभी T कहाँ पे है? On the third coin. So now I'll make it in the second coin and then on the first coin. Easy to remember. You start with HHH, you introduce T to the third one, and then you keep shifting it. Now similarly, we are going to have another column, but यहाँ पे we are going to start with TTT, introduce H in the last column, and then keep shifting it. Okay, easier way to remember. So how are we going to do this? We are going to be placing TTT, introduce a H. Okay, then you have TTH, shift the H, THT, shift the H, HTT. Okay, let's group them together. Let's group them together. So what do we have? How do you write it? पहले 2 coin का जो result आएगा इसको 2 बार लिखो. Okay, 2 coins का जो result आएगा उसको 2 बार लिखो. So how do you do? HH, HT, TH, TT twice. Now third coin का place हमने vacant रखा. So अभी third coin केस में first line में लिखो H पूरा. So I'll write H, 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 and then second time में लिखो T. Okay, so you have T, 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 and T. Easy to remember? Is this easy to remember? So how many total outcomes are there? The total number of outcomes that are possible are 8. Alright? Easy to remember? Now we are going to be looking at 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown. Let's talk about 2 dice. Now when 2 dice are thrown together, now we are going to be assuming that हमने 2 dice को एक साथ throw किया. Alright? Do you play any such game जहाँ पे 2 dice at a time roll करने का मौका आता है? Okay? If you have played such a game, please let me know down in the comments. Alright? Now these are the 2 coins that we are going to throw. Let us assume कि first coin का color is going to be red and the second का color is going to be white. So you have first coin and the second coin. दोनों पे 1 1 आ गया, 1 1. Alright? And this keeps on going. The first one remains 1. The second coin keeps on going from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright? So this is how the first row looks like. Is it easy? Now the second one that we are going to go to is that first coin पे आएगा 2 अभी. Now the first die will roll a 2 and the second dice will go from 1 to 6. It will go from 1 to 6. So you have 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, and 2 6. Similarly, 1 up the number on the first coin. Sorry, on the first dice it will become 3. So 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, and 3 6. Similarly, 4, 5, and 6. Is it easy to remember? Is it easy to remember? You only have to picture the first coin, first die, and the second die, and put them all together. So every time you know that you have 2 dice that are going to be rolled together, तो वहाँ पे आपका ये outcome आएगा. Alright? Whenever 2 dice are thrown together, or one die is rolled twice. ठीक है? The same number of outcomes. So how many outcomes are these, by the way? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So you have total number of outcomes is 36. Okay? Now let's, in this experiment, the possible outcomes has to be written as seen here. Okay, तो ऐसे ही आपको पेपर में represent करना है. Whenever you say that 2 dice are thrown, okay, you'll be getting extra marks if you represent this in the paper. Okay, ऐसे कैसे अगर आप outcomes लिखोगे पेपर में तो definitely going to score marks. Alright, so now let's talk about how we remember this. How do we remember this? Okay, याद कैसे रखना है? God, कितना कुछ किया हमने. Single die throw किया, double die throw किया. Then we tossed 1 coin, 2 coins, 3 coins. Oh my God, how do we remember these outcomes? Easy way to remember. हमने 1 coin जब toss किया, how many outcomes were there? एक ही coin toss किया तो या तो heads आएगा या तो tails आएगा. Every time we know this because हम cricket तो देखते ही है. So या तो heads आएगा या तो tails आएगा. So how many outcomes are there? We have 2 outcomes. Alright. Now say for example I double the number of coins. एक coin की जगह मैंने 2 coins toss किए. I tossed 2 coins. So what will be the outcome? The outcome will be outcome of the first coin, which is 2, outcome of the second coin, which is also 2. So 2 times 2 becomes 4. So total number of outcomes in the 2 coins will be 4. 3. Similarly, 2 into 2 into 2. Outcome of the first coin, outcome of the second coin, outcome of the third coin. Multiplied. 8 आ गया. Similarly for a die. Now जब हमने एक die roll किया था, how many number of outcomes were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total number of outcomes थे 6. If I roll 2 dice तो क्या होगा? 6 times 6. 6 times 6 makes it 36. Easy to remember, easy to understand. I hope this is clear for you all. Alright, now let's talk about the outcome of the first die and outcome of the second die. One more experiment which is game of chance. Now I believe ये game of chance का जो experiment है ना, ये हमने movies में बहुत बार देखा है. Now ये क्या है game of chance का experiment? A roulette. Have you all seen this roulette table? Have you all ever seen this roulette table? Do let me know in the comments down below. This roulette table is basically there in the casinos and all. Okay, this is known as game of chance. Okay. So how is it played? Let's take a simpler version of this. Let's take a simpler version of it. So for example, I have numbers written from 1 to 8. I have numbers written from 1 to 8 and I have to spin it. I have to spin the needle and say for example it lands on one of the numbers. It lands on one of the numbers. Now we're not talking about which number it is going to land on. We are going to talk about how many possible results of spinning the needle may be. So the number of possible results is that the outcome of the experiment, that is known as the outcome of the experiment. The possible number of possible results, okay, they are the outcome of the experiment. So they can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 because those many numbers are there on your roulette. Those many numbers are there on your roulette, okay. So this concludes the first part of our lecture. I hope you people have subscribed down below for the updates. Alright, thank you.